Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Motorola Razr 2022. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Google Classroom. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use or add another one. Click on OK, then on this plus button, join the class. Here you'll need to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.